No, don't spit it out.
Maybe if you lay him back a little bit more.
You gotta swallow it.
You are supposed to swallow it.
Yeah. Come on. It's food.
Don't give him more.
I'm not. I'm trying to get what's running out.
Oh look, it's all over.
Already. You're gonna have to swallow it. Not working?
Did he swallow?
No.
Oh.
Not yet.
Come on, son.
You can do this. You can do this. I believe in you. Yeah, you're getting it. You swallowed. Yeah, see, you're doing it.
Come on, it's good.
You're doing it. Here. Here. Yeah. No. 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 It's okay. 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 Here. We'll try one more and then we'll be done. One more and then we're done. Then you got it on your nose. Okay. 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 Yeah. Hold on. Hey. 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 Look. Look. Look here.
Well, how'd that go?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I don't think he likes that.
No. Do you have any last words? Okay.